Sum and difference formulas. Quite frequently, one of the main obstacles to solving a problem in trigonometry is the inability to transform the problem into a form that makes it easier to solve. Sum and difference formulas can be very valuable in helping with this. So this is the formula of sum and difference. Sin the quantity of a plus b is equals to sin a cosine b plus cosine a sin b. Next, second is sin the quantity of a minus b is equals to sin a cosine b minus cosine a sin b. Third, cosine the quantity of a plus b is equals to cosine a cosine b minus sin a sin b. Cosine the quantity of a minus b is equals to cosine a cosine b plus sin a cosine b. Sin b. So this is the first example. Cosine the quantity of 5 pi over 12 is equals to cosine the quantity of pi over 4 plus pi over 6 is equals to cosine pi over 4 cosine pi over 6. So gigamit cosine because ang given is cosine. So cosine pi over 4 cosine pi over 6 minus sin pi over 4 sin pi over 6 is equals to the quantity of the square root of 2 over 2 times the square root of 3 over 2 minus the square root of 2 over 2 times 1 over 2 is equals to 2 times 3 is 6, then 2 times 1 is 2, then 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4. So it's equals to so the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2, so over 4 because they are the same 4 minus. Find the exact value of cosine 150 degree. Solution. Cosine 150 degree is equals to cosine the quantity of 60 degree plus 45 degree. So 60 plus 45 is equals to 105 dapat. So this is wrong. 105 dapat 105 degree. Then is equals to cosine 60 cosine 45 minus sin 60 degree sin 45 degree is equals to 1/2 the quantity of the square root 2 over 2 minus the square root of the quantity of square root 2 over 2 is equals to the square root of 2 over 4 minus the square root of 6 over 4 is equals to the square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 over 4 or 1 over 4. The square root of the quantity of the square root 2 minus the square root of 6. So this is the final answer of 105 degree. Sin of the sum and difference of two angles. The sin of the sum and difference of two angles can also be derived using the conjunction identity sin theta is equals to cosine the quantity of pi over 2 minus theta and cosine theta is equals to sine the quantity of pi over 2 minus theta. Remember, the sin of the sum of two angles is equal to the product of the sin of the sine of the first and the cosine of the second plus the product of the cosine of the first and the sine of the second. Next is the sine of the difference of two angles is equals to the product of the sine of the first and the cosine of the second minus the product of the cosine of the first and the sine of the second. Find the exact value of sin 75. Solution. Sin 75 degree. Sin the quantity of 45 degree plus 30 degree, so 45 and 30 4 5 6 75 degree. 45 30 75 degree is equals to sin 45 degree cosine 30 degree plus cosine 45 degree sin 30 degree is equals to the quantity of 2 over 2, the quantity of the square root of 3 over 2 plus the square root of 2 over 2, the quantity 1 over 2 is equals to the quantity of the square root of 6, so 2 times 3 is 6, 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4, plus the square root of 2 over 2, 1 over 2. So 2 times 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is equals to, so the square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4, so they are the same, 4 in plus. So this is the final answer of example number 2 sa given of 75 degree. So that's all.